up guys, this is your boy DJY and I'm back with another episode. So last night we had real celebration, man. Legendary Juelz Santana Reunited with Chief Keef in studio. You guys today was cooking up something special, bro. We have some dope collaboration on the way. Juelz and Chief Keef on the same track. This is too dope, man. On another level, bro. Without doubt, without saying. Now, guys, check this out. Footage from last night.
So blow.
Oh yeah.
Been so blow.
Nice. Stupid ass. Stupid ass.
It's Keef.
What do you mean? What did you Yeah, you ever heard this song? No.
Man, so came personally.
Bro, this is beautiful. Honestly to say, Juelz doing so many collaborations, man. He did with Lil Wayne, Jim Jones, Benny the Butcher, now with Chief Keef. This is crazy, man. We have very special music on the way. Deep sets all day. You guys are one of the best. This is true facts, period. Now guys, I have a question of the day. Please honestly tell me which album is your favorite, all-time favorites by Juelz Santana. Now guys, let's move to the next topic.
Last night Wayne and Nelly had dope conversation during their Instagram live. Wayne and Nelly tried their hand at having a live session and are getting joked for acting like a two old man. A video clip of the conversation opens with Lil Wayne asking Nelly why he could see people's comments appear on the bottom of the screen. Also during Instagram live, Nelly used sparkling effect and Lil Wayne clowned Nelly and asked him why everything was sparkling on him. So let's check this out, this fun Instagram live of Nelly and Wayne. Come on.
Oh, no, I think that's some shit you smoke. Nah, I'm just with you. I don't know, I think that's
They are both legends, man. I miss when these dudes was on the top of the world, but now they sounding like two rich senior citizens. They remind me of parents that ask their kids to show them how to work their iPhone. So guys, today we have also more topic. And our next topic is about the legendary queen of hip-hop, Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj brought out Fivio Foreign and Lil Uzi Vert at Rolling Loud last night. As always, Nicki Minaj killed the scene and it was amazing live performance, man. Nicki Minaj is doing amazing shows. Shout out to Nicki. And before I finish the video, let's check this out, the live performance of Nicki Minaj, Fivio Foreign and Lil Uzi Vert. Come on. So it is all guys, thank you for watching. It's hip hop channel YTV. If you like the video's content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bells and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching, peace.